Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUNC and the latest proposal, the move to increase the tax bond from 1.2% upward. Now, some people are proposing 2.5% tax bond. Remember, so many crypto exchanges have been bonding 2.5% tax bond, from Shiba Inu, Shiba Doge, and some other crypto coins that are bonding 2.5% tax bond. But the only difference between this Terra Classic and these coins, these coins have a lot of coins out there as a supply. Some of them have quintillion, while some have over 500 trillion coins. But Terra Classic, right now at the time of recording this, have about 6.8. The total supply they have about 6.8. Now, this proposal to increase the tax bonds is definitely because they believe the 1.2% tax bond is not really bonding much, and if people can accept this, if exchanges can accept this, then they believe Terra Classic can even bond more coins from what they are bonding right now. Okay, from tax bond on its own have been able to bond almost 30 billion coins of Terra Classic. So they believe that if this proposal is accepted, that they can increase the tax bond for Terra Classic. That means definitely they will be bonding more coin, and tax bond alone might be able to bond almost 100 billion coins of Terra Classic by this time next year. So that's the belief, or even more. It depends on how Terra Classic trading volume daily will become. But I still believe that it's something that's going to be difficult, because even the 1.2% tax bond, a lot of people find it difficult to accept. Now remember, Binance, yes, initially Binance wanted to charge more. Okay, Binance wanted to charge, I think that was about 1.5%, but a lot of people countered it, a lot of people went against it, and Binance have no option than to accept the 1.2% that was proposed initially. Then, so right now, you can see, I don't think this proposal will be accepted. Even if it will, it's definitely not going to be easy to accept, to increase Terra Classic bonding from 1.2% tax bond to maybe 1.52% or 2.5%. But there are some coins right now that are already bonding 2.5% coin. But for Terra Classic, it's not going to be easy. Please remember, this is on the financial advice, and I hope Terra Classic in the nearest future will definitely increase in price. Once again, thank you for stopping by.